Guys, so after about 30 minutes, the brown stew chicken is good to go. It's nice and rich, the gravy nice and thick. What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the simple but authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken recipe. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start today's recipe off by adding our chicken seasoning. You wanna add about a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. My chicken is already cleaned and washed and chopped in some nice sized pieces, all right? So you wanna mix it up, season it up, make sure it's nicely marinated, for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna add some tomato, onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh thyme, same way. Mix it up, make sure it's nicely seasoned, And like I said, you just wanna marinate it for about 30 minutes. This is a quick recipe, guys. And we're gonna add about a teaspoon of browning, browning seasoning. Not too much, because you don't want the chicken to be too dark. All right, so now you want to mix it up again. Give it a nice little mix, nice and proper. Yeah, just like that. All right, so we're gonna get our pan nice and hot, guys. Get it to about we're gonna put the stove to about medium-high heat. Not too hot, but once it becomes hot, you're gonna add in your chicken. All right, add in your chicken, sear it, and then we're gonna close down the lid after we sear it for about 3 minutes. On the first side, we're gonna stir it up, close the lid, and cook it for another 3 minutes, guys. And then we're gonna add in our liquid and the other ingredients. All right, guys, so after you finish cooking the chicken for about 3 minutes on the first side, you just want to stir it up. Stir it up nice and slow. Make sure it's nice and brown, nice and caramelized. All right, and then we're gonna close down the lid right after this, guys. Close it down for about 3 more minutes, just to make it steam up a little bit. And then we're gonna remove the lid and add some more ingredients. We're gonna add, the sugar, some ketchup. We're gonna add some chicken stock, and we're gonna add the remaining amount of the like the fresh seasoning them that we used earlier, like the thyme, the tomato, and all them things. That we're gonna add it to the pot and cook everything down for about 30 minutes on medium-high heat. So after about 30 minutes, the brown stew chicken is good to go. It's nice and rich, the gravy nice and thick. Watch it, nice and rich, Yes, guys, and look at that color. That's exactly what you're looking for. You don't want it to be too light and you don't want it to be too dark, So this is it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.